everyone, and welcome to the Seed to Spoon app. My name is Carrie. My husband Dale and I are the creators of this Seed to Spoon app. We created this to help us manage our garden and find all the answers that we needed, and I hope that it will help you along the way as well. And I wanted to make a quick video just to show you a few of my favorite features and what you can do and what you can expect within the Seed to Spoon app. So I have it pulled up right here on my phone, and I will overlay it behind me so that way you can see it a little bit better. So whenever you first open the app, you'll see this main dashboard right here. So right here, you'll see a bunch of different tabs up on top. We'll go over those here in just a minute. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the week's countdown until your first fall frost or your last spring frost. Sometimes you won't see anything there, which is fine. You don't have a frost coming up, which is great for you. And then you will see your visual garden layout next. So if you don't have any gardens created, it will prompt you into creating a new one right there. And then if you keep scrolling down, it'll show trending plants next. I love this feature because it shows you exactly what everybody else around you is planting. So it helps me a lot too. I'm like, oh, I need to be planting that. And then next there's this Let's Grow section. So this will show you things based on your area. So whenever you first downloaded the app, it asked you about using your location, and this is why. So within the Seed to Spoon app, it will calculate out all of your planting dates for you. So you don't have to do any math or anything like that. So it'll show you exactly things that you can plant now, or if you tab over, it'll show you plant soon as well. So if you go over, you can scroll through there and you can tap on them. We'll do that later. But you can keep scrolling down. You'll see this planting calendar right here. This right here is a premium feature, so it may be grayed out for you if you did not opt to do the free 1-week trial, which is perfectly fine. You get lots of info for free in here. So we'll keep scrolling down. My husband and I do all sorts of live workshops. Every week we do at least one, sometimes two, talking about different topics and different companion planting, pest management, what to do this month, various topics. Sometimes we're just answering your questions. So I hope that you can join us at some point and bring your questions to us there. Next, this is something that I love, which is the Grow for Health section. So you can, if you are wanting to grow for a specific reason or anything like that, you can go in here. Any of these you can tap on and it will take you to the plants that are great to grow for those purposes. And then you can see some garden bed themes as well. So if you wanted to grow a themed garden, so like a pizza garden, a salad garden, an herb garden, there's different ideas already pre-built for you in there. And then we do have a website where we post a lot of blog posts and a YouTube channel where we post a lot of videos. And there's always something that I'm on there talking about from our backyard right here or our seed starting area. So I hope that you join us there. And we have all of the links right here. So if you do ever have any questions, please feel free, follow us on social, send me a message there. I'm the one that reads all of those. You can do that. And you can always feel free to reach out to me and I will always be there. So let's go back up to here to the top. If you tap into growing guides, this pulls up all of our hundreds of different plants right here. So you can scroll through, you can filter down if you wanted to filter down by any. We have, again, those health benefits up on top. You can filter by plant now. You can filter by different things right there. But anyways, it's super helpful for me. I do that all the time. But if you just wanted to go in, I'll show you what a standard plant here looks like. So you can go through, it will show you all the videos. Again, the planting calendar, the exact planting dates based on your location that you are in for spring, summer, and fall, and then different things that you may need to know about the plant. So how dense to plant it, when you can expect to harvest it, and all of that. And it'll also show you different varieties and pests. So if you tap on these, it'll give you some tips on how to manage those pests as well. Companion planting, which is super helpful for us. In the beginning, it was hard to remember what plants paired well with what ones. So this is super helpful right here. So you can look at the friends, the enemies, things, so you know what to plant it next to. Again, different health benefits and all of that. One thing I do want to specifically call out is this recipe section too, because there's a lot of really great recipes in here that I have made here in my garden, in my kitchen, from my garden. It's so amazing. I love them. So you can always tap any of those. And again, that's a free feature too. So, and let me show you how we use it to manage our garden. So we have quite a large garden ourselves. So you can see right here, I have a bunch of different gardens. I've labeled them because I have a bunch of different 4x8 raised beds, and I call them all, have them all numbered here. And then I also do the do logging for my indoor seed starting too. So I have like these right here, so that way I can remember what varieties I planted where. It's so helpful. And down here too, it'll show you the variety that you planted, when you planted it, and also when you can expect to harvest it too. And I can always tap on it too, and I can see all of this information as well on here. I can log any events. So if I watered it, if I transplanted it, if I did anything like that, I can put that there. You can also add photos and notes, so you don't need to have a notebook or anything out in the garden when you're out there anymore. You can do everything all within the Seed to Spoon app. So every time I come in here, every time I go out in the garden, I'm pretty much logging. I watered today, and I'm coming back to it. So you can see all of those here. You can see different tasks for when, like if you have things that you need to plant soon, or if it's time to harvest, which is always the most exciting part of it. Something else I want to show you all is this GrowBot feature, which has saved me on multiple times. So right here, if you are a free user, you still have access to this feature. You will get limited to 3 free questions a day, which are just text questions. But if you want to add a photo for here, you can do that with premium access. So you can go through, you can take a picture of your plant, you can ask it to identify a plant, a pest, or if you have an issue with one of your plants, like if your leaves are curling or browning or anything like that, you can just take a picture, send it up to GrowBot. It will give you right there advice on what you can do to help, which is so helpful. I used it so many times this last season in the garden. It was so helpful. Again, I hope that this helps you, and please just feel free to go through, play around. You get a 1-week free trial too for premium if you just want to give it a try, and you can cancel it at any time before that if you decide that it's not for you, which I love it myself, but I completely understand as well if you only need the free version too, because I use that too all the time, and you get all the planting dates and everything too in there for free. Anyways, let me know if you all have any questions, and I'm always just a click away. You can just reach out and let me know. See you guys.